Thanks for tuning in to our channel. My name's Janie, all the way from London, UK, at Mazepool Studios. Today I would like to introduce you to someone who in her employment, hobby, social and private life puts all she earns and her energy and time into this neglected and underfunded course, the Youth Project. Please meet my guest, Amazing Ajama, or as I call her, IJ.
Thank you very much, Jenny.
Thank you for welcoming me into your life and welcome to this programme.
Thank you very much.
We want to discover more about you and your latest project. What happened on the 31st of August 2013?
We had a live recording which I did with the young people. It's our latest project and it was themed Wind of Change, Worship Time.
Okay. Stay tuned for the second part of the interview to watch what happened on the day.
Okay, Amazing. Why did you put this project together? Talk to me.
Wow, very long story. We put this project together. Actually, the conception was from the 14th of June. The Lord spoke to me, and basically, I have a passion for young people. And looking around ministry and churches, I found out that a place for young people there's been this lack, and it's kind of been neglected for some reason. I don't know, but the Lord spoke to me around about June, and He said to me to make a vow, and I made a vow to whatever I do as part of my ministry would have to do with the young people, and He said to me the vow that I made after a 70-day fast, where He said to me, I want to take you through what has gone wrong in ministry and how to make it right. And I've been fasting from the 23rd of June, and just as the Lord said to me, the last day of your fast will be a live recording, and it has to be with the young people. And this is the fulfillment of this vow. This live recording, Wind of Change, has brought a lot of explanation to why I am in this ministry, young people's ministry. There's this passion, hidden passion within these young minds that is untapped. And I pray and I believe that God will use this medium to reach out to the well that is within these young ones. And there's a way of also securing a future for our nation.
So Chantel, can you tell us about the Wind of Change?
Wind of Change Worship Time was a really great experience. It's a platform for young youth and it brings out their best potential in them, and I'm really, really proud to be part of this experience.
What has been the best part of your Wind of Change experience?
Just coming here and seeing everybody working together and working as a team, and it was really, really, really great experience to be part of.
Do you have any message for the youth out there?
If you're out there watching, I suggest the best thing for you to do, that if you want something to do that's beneficial to you, is to come and do something for the Lord, and this will actually help your future.
So what has been the filming experience for you? I mean, the pressure, the hours, the director like screaming hour after hour.
I really liked shooting in the studio. It was just a really nice atmosphere and a different feel.
It is because of your grace and your mercy that I am not
What has your experience been today?
It's been really good. It's been really, really good. I enjoyed myself. You know, I got a chance to minister to the Lord. It's been quite stressful as well, but I thank God it's all over now. Oh yeah, as you can see, I lost my voice because we were singing and singing and singing. But I thank God for everything He has done today.
Can you try and describe this whole experience in 3 words?
The Wind of Change live recording has been awesome, spiritual and magnificent in my life today, and I've enjoyed my day so much, and I would love to do this again.
Please tell us your experience.
First of all, I'll start with my name. My name's Kike, and this is my first time of joining the Amaze Paul production. And what I've experienced from Amaze Paul production are from this project. Basically, it helps the young people to come out more. They encourage them to come and bring out their talent. Because I didn't know I could sing. I even tried to sing. I don't just believe in myself. But thanks to Amaze Paul production, they actually brought the confidence in me, which I'm really grateful of them.
Can you describe for us your experience at filming this whole...
It's been pretty stressful. I mean, for a video shoot, like hours and hours of setting up, going over and over and over and over and over it. But it's pretty good. At the end of the day, we're going to get a good blessing from it.
Is there anything else you'd like to say about the project?
I just love it, and I like to do more, because I really enjoy it. And it's fabulous. May God bless Amaze Paul production. I just think young people should, because it's like a chance, but like an opportunity for you to come out more. Because if I didn't join Amaze Paul production, I don't think I'll be into this, like gospel. I'm into gospel, like into singing. I don't think I'll be doing video shoot. I've never dreamt of doing this in my life, but thanks to It's Amazing for encouraging young people to also come out more and see what gift they've got.
So what's it been like filming here at Icon Towers today?
Pastor Fred, Icon Towers shot my very first video, Let Your Glory Fall, and I have not stopped commenting and advertising that video. The expertise, the perfection, the professionalism in it showcased itself. And coming back to Icon Towers, I can see a higher level of what God is doing. And then God has also used Pastor Fred, Icon Towers in general, he's been a blessing to my ministry, Amaze Paul, and also my family. So I do celebrate, and I'm so excited, working with Pastor Fred and Icon Towers. The studio is beautiful, guys. You need to come in here. You guys need to come in here. The lighting, the video, the cameras, the equipment, everything is all together. So I want you to come in and experience this for yourself, and you'll be blessed.
Oh yeah, this is to all of you watching this. Dalva Empire once again coming to you live. It's good to be back again once again, and this has been a lovely experience. Met some friendly people. Together we've come together for one purpose, and that's to praise God. And through worship, we've been able to achieve that today. It's been a privilege, and I'm glad to be part of this.
So what are your thoughts about today's production?
It's been rewarding and fulfilling. I can't say I regretted this. I enjoy worshiping and praising. I enjoy playing with such anointed people. I mean, it's something you can't buy. So I'm glad I'm here. Love the experience. We'll be back next video. And shout out to all the crew and Mrs. Amazing, Mr. Paul, Pastor Fred. Love y'all. See ya.
We've just finished watching that video, and who would not be touched by what we have just seen, I could feel the emotion and the passion within them. I'm really excited seeing how you engage these young ones with such great activities.
Do you know some of these young people that we engaged, we got into singing, they've not really had the experience in the past, and we got them into the studio and we are like, do you want to give it a try? With very little support, they were able to do it very much, a lot. So I encourage people out there to take this time and come. There's a whole lot that you could achieve. All you need is support. So you can come, let's do this together. Yeah.
Where was it recorded?
Icon Tower Studio, based in Raynham, by Pastor Fred Williams.
Okay. When will the music be released?
On the 30th of October 2013. It's actually a very special day for me. It's my birthday.
Wonderful. Do you have more projects in mind for the youth?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to give us a hint on your
No,
projects?
Jenny, that's the top secret.
Okay, top secret. If a youth wants to join the project, or if a parent wants to bring their child to the project, what is the process, and do they have to be talented?
Well, no, you don't have to be talented to join a Mayspool production team to learn. The best things in life are free. God doesn't call the qualified, He qualifies the called. He calls and qualifies. All He needs from you is your commitment and availability. So just come to us, speak to someone in the team, or just call me on the numbers that we're going to be providing you very soon. Speak to someone and we will call you, and the rest will be in the book of history.
Please tell us your experience.
It's been amazing. It's been awesome. I'm a music producer with Mayspool Production, so today has been more or less like a turnaround in the way I view things, because I've always been viewing things from the studio perspective. And playing live with these guys, come on. I mean, Pastor Fred yelling at us, like for example, giving us good perspective. Hey, guitarist, turn around, guitarist, do that. I mean, work with the drummer, everything. Like, it shows you what it is like live. And for a music producer, I think it's enhancing my sense of production and it's making me a better person, to be honest. And to the crew, I mean, they're amazing people. I was meant to be working today, but I can't imagine having missed this whole thing for a few pounds now. This is amazing. This is wonderful.
Someone who is into production, what has been your experience filming and spending time at the Icon Tower today?
Well, to be completely honest, like first of all, when I walked in, I was like, okay, what is going on here? But at the end of the day, with the lights and everything, it's wonderful. You can do anything here, right about anything. I mean, I look handsome. Come on, look at me.
What's it been like?
Yeah, I'm Marius actually, and today has been an amazing experience here. This actually my second time, I think, doing a video with Aunt Amazing, who's like a sister to me. She has been quite good, and working with her is it's so nice. I mean, it just feels like you don't actually know where you can reach, like when you work with her. She's an amazing person.
Please tell us your experience.
Well, it's quite frightening, you know, scary to like stand in front of the camera, do some things, like today I was playing the bass. It was difficult. I mean, when I just look on Paul, sometimes I'll miss some notes because I'm scared of the camera or something. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, it was fun.
Let your presence flow. We're here to get changed. We're here to get healed.
Banjo and I was the drummer, and it was really nice to be here and I enjoyed myself. Thank you.
Well, worship is one thing God cannot do for himself. It is our sole purpose. It is the main reason why we are created, to worship God.
My name is Harold, and this is my first time working with Sister Amazing. I really enjoyed everything that we did, starting from the recording, which was really interesting, and I learned quite a lot from that. This is my first, but it's definitely not my last. It's only the beginning of working with her. And I know the more that I work together with her, the better I become, not just as a musician, but also as a person. Today itself, in a nutshell, was exhausting, but we still managed to get through it, and it's a good experience for some of us that it's the first time, and some of us that has done it before. It's still good to keep doing this, but it's for people that are thinking about joining or not joining, like youth, and if you have the talent to do it, I'm telling you, get up and do it, because it's no use having a talent and not using it.
In one word, what's it been like?
It's been amazing.
Introducing Zena. This is my life. All for you. All for you, Jesus. All for you. Yes, Jesus. Yes, Lord. Take it and use. Come on, Zena.
How does it feel to be the youngest person on set today?
Well, I find it quite unfair, but it's still you can express yourself and have fun, it doesn't matter about the age, it just matters about how you express yourself and how much fun you're having.
Is there anything else you'd like to say to young people like you to get involved in stuff like this?
I want to encourage young people like me to worship God and experience fun stuff like this. And I can't wait to go back to school and say hi to my friends and tell my class about what's been going on during the holidays.
Wow, beautiful. Do you think you're cool?
Yeah.
Come on, children of God. Raise your voice. Raise your voice. Come on, worship Him and tell Him that your life, every trophies that you've ever gained, laid at the throne of the Master, laid at the feet of Jesus. He's worthy. Break.
Hello, I'm Jessica. I come from Italy for this video shoot. This was my first time of working with this team, but I really enjoyed myself. It was difficult changing my instrument from saxophone to violin, from violin to saxophone, and still got my timing right while the music was going on. The pressure, the music, everything. I had fun.
What's it been like?
It's been all great.
very lovely and peaceful.
So what would you like to say to Amazing?
For somebody to come up with a thought like this, I just want to say God bless her and may the Lord give her strength, keep on the good works, that he that has begun a good work will surely bring her to an expected end. I thank God for her life.
He is the King of Kings. There is no God like you. You are the big and strong God, and we glorify your name.
My name is Victor to start with. Since morning we have been working on the video. Everything we did was perfect and people out there will watch the video and enjoy it.
So what has been the video experience? I mean, filming at the Icon Tower studio.
To be honest, the studio is perfect. Even the music video that we shot is beyond good. You guys need to watch it. You enjoy it, trust.
Any other message for the viewers?
I want to use this opportunity to encourage you young ones out there to reach out. There is a well within you. Break that box. Break the scent. Break the beauty that is within you. Pour it at the feet of the Master. And after that, trust me, you will see the best of your life. So I encourage you to give God your best and He will give you His best.
Thank you, Amazing, for meeting with us today and telling us all about your projects.
Thank you very much, Jenny, for having me.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
God bless you.
Have a good evening.
And you.
Thank you.
For more information, please visit Amazing's website, amazepool.com, or you can contact on 07 535 084 800 or 07 908 760 909. You can also contact her on other social networks such as Facebook Amazepool, Twitter Amazepool and YouTube Amazepool. Thank you for watching today.